Hello everyone, my name is Qiang Zhang. I am going to introduce PhoneGap in a simple manner so that you'll have a rough idea of why you need PhoneGap and what PhoneGap can do for you. Nowadays, the mobile application market is expanding exponentially. As a developer, you really want to develop some mobile apps to make a fortune. However, language barriers may draw you back since you don't know Objective-C, Android SDK, or the Microsoft .NET framework. More importantly, you don't have the time to learn them. So you may wonder, can I develop some mobile app technologies that I'm familiar with without using that crazy stuff? Yes, you can, and the answer is using PhoneGap. First things first, what exactly can we do with PhoneGap? PhoneGap, which is currently named Apache Cordova, is a framework that builds cross-platform mobile applications. It uses popular web technologies like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to develop mobile apps on iOS, Android, and other mobile platforms. Building a mobile application with PhoneGap is as simple as building a web application. More powerfully, the PhoneGap app can access native mobile functionalities such as the camera, contacts, and GPS. Theoretically, a complete PhoneGap app consists of the native part and the web part. In most situations, we only need to develop our business logic using web technologies, without bothering with any native code. So how does PhoneGap work? PhoneGap wraps a WebKit component for different mobile platforms to run the web code, and adds JavaScript interfaces so that the native functionalities can be invoked in the web code. An app running inside the native container, rendering web pages, and also accessing device capabilities is called a hybrid app. PhoneGap is a hybrid app platform. Why choose PhoneGap over other similar products? Listen to these numbers about PhoneGap. By 2011, there were over 10,000 users and 23,000 PhoneGap apps deployed on the App Store. Over 3,000 apps are built using PhoneGap every day. Besides these amazing numbers, it costs no money to use it. PhoneGap has been a popular lightweight solution for mobile applications. Also, we can understand the benefits of using web technologies if we use PhoneGap. For example, reducing learning time, the cross-platform feature, and using existing JavaScript libraries and web services. We can even do more with cutting-edge web technologies such as HTML5 and CSS3. To access native functionalities, PhoneGap exposes simple JavaScript interfaces that can be extended with numerous PhoneGap plugins without writing a single line of native code. In this section, I have introduced what PhoneGap is and the reason to choose it as your mobile development platform. I will go through some PhoneGap limitations and barriers in the next section to help you understand PhoneGap completely.